spreadsheet?
No, I don't know. Can you tell me about spreadsheets?
Yes, why not? Spreadsheet is a grid of rows and columns in which we arrange numbers and text.
How we can create spreadsheets?
We can create spreadsheets with the help of an application software called Microsoft Excel. Okay, now let's open the program. First of all, right click on the mouse. Then click on new option. Then you will see Microsoft Excel. Click on it. Look, here is the Microsoft Excel sheet. These small rectangles are called cells. This highlighted portion is known as rows, and this highlighted portion is known as columns. Now, if we want to know the sequence number of an cell, just select the cell. Its sequence number will be shown in the name box.
Okay friend, now tell me what is the use of spreadsheet?
It is used for budgeting and organizing data in the form of numbers, charts and tables. Spreadsheets can be used to draw pie charts and bar charts. It enables us to compute large amount of numerical data much faster than a calculator.
Friend, you have explained this topic very well.
In this screenshot, a budget. It is a budget of a school. Okay friends, take care of yourself. Inshallah, we will come with new and interesting topics. Till then,
Allah Hafiz. See you soon.